New leaks of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 emerge on a poster, and they show the S Pen for the first time. We get an alleged timeline for the launch of iPhones, and they might bring some disappointments. And it seems that Aoife will be the show for wearables this year from both Samsung and LG. I'm Jaime Rivera. I can already smell Friday, and that means a ton of good things. There's more content coming over the weekend. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with the fact that Sony is not dead when it comes to mobile. The company continues launching products. They've just officialized the Sony Xperia XA2, which is a premium mid-ranger, let's just say, but it rocks the Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. Oddly, we haven't seen any 700 series Qualcomm Snapdragon chips on phones just yet. Then the specifications are regular. We're waiting on a price tag and a launch date specifically, but stay tuned. Now, it seems that everything that I thought that I was probably going to get from Apple at the end of this year at the event just happened yesterday. The company has just announced new MacBook Pros, and they added everything that I've been looking for, like a quad-core 13-inch MacBook Pro in addition to a 6-core 15-inch MacBook Pro, and the price tag goes really crazy with all the optimizations. Regardless, if you're into editing video, quad is the way to go. Not necessarily because the computer performs better within the software, but because the moment you hit render, the video is going to take a lot less to be created. So yeah, anybody want to buy a 15-inch MacBook Pro from last generation? Now let's talk about Aoife and Wearables, as we've been hearing rumors that we will see the new Gear Watch happening, well, the Samsung Galaxy Watch, sorry, happening at Unpacked. Now we've got sources claiming that no, that Aoife's going to be about wearables and we'll see the new Samsung Galaxy Watch there, or Gear Watch, or probably we'll see one first and then the other, and then we'll also see some watches from LG. Whatever the case may be, we have not seen a brand new Wear OS watch ever since the Wear OS platform was launched after being called Android Wear, so yeah, Google, where is everything? Now let's talk about Apple, as this is an interesting twist. We've been hearing 3 iPhones, and now we've got sources claiming that we will be getting them, but not at the same time. And last year we got the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus first, and then the iPhone 10 2 months later. It seems that now it's going to be the other way around. We're going to get the more expensive iPhones being launched on September 11-ish, somewhere around there. And then for those of you that want to get the affordable iPhone, that's going to happen until November 2nd. It seems that Apple wants to sell the more expensive iPhones first than others. Whatever. We'll see what happens with the market after that. I mean, that's going to be an interesting way to gouge. And finally, the interesting news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, one device that I'm really looking forward to, but we haven't really seen posters, just renders. Today we finally see a full poster image of the phone. 2 things. 1, the back of the phone looks great. 2, yes, the headphone jack is there, by the way, but that's part of 1. 2 is the S Pen. It doesn't really seem any different to the current S Pen that we already know, with the exception of the color. I don't know if that's a way to market it. It looks more like a Best Buy theme than anything. But yeah, it's a different color, but it looks the same. Whatever the case may be in today's question, let us know. I mean, look at the S Pen. Would a different color entice you to use it more? I like the idea. I feel that the S Pen shouldn't be the same color as the phone, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our Pocketnow Diario, this video in Spanish, down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.